TT Squad, this is Tia. I am making salmon cakes and grits. They said that I can have salmon cakes, so I'm making some salmon cakes. Never made them before. I'm the first time making them. And I know my sister told me get the bones out because you have bones or something in here. I washed my hands. I'm sorry I should have showed y'all, but I washed my hands. I don't see no bones. She said you got bones in here. Oh, okay. I found one. I know I eat salmon cakes, but I never made them. My mother used to make them for me. Oh, it is bones in here. I never knew that. She said, get the bones out. I didn't know it was bones in here. It's bones. Real bones. Ew. I'm only making one can because my son, of course, don't eat it. One egg. I'm putting in there. Yes. And I'm just going to stir it all up. I don't know if you put any seasoning in it. I don't know because it's salmon cakes. I'm going to put some onions in it. I cut up an onion because I like onions. So, you know. And I went to the store this time because I was like, I didn't have no onions in here the other time. So. I'm just mixing it all together. I'm about to wash my hands because I got to turn the stove on. And, I can't stand that on my hand. And start the process. Because you don't know none of your hands, yes. Ooh. Got my paper towels. You know I got to have my paper towels. Okay. I got my stove. I'll turn the stove on for my grits. I'm going to add in a little bit of, I think, can you add salt in your water? I don't know. I think I'll add some salt in it. A little bit of salt in it. I don't know. Add a little bit of that. Turn the stove on for my salmon cakes. And I just put a little bit. My sister told me to use my skillet pan. So, that's what I'm doing. Yes, I don't know how much you're supposed to use because I never made it. I think I need, it's not even covering the pan up. I don't know. Okay. That's enough. It's covering the whole pan up. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and make it. It's another bone. Is this a bone? Oh, this is a big bone. Ew. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I guess I don't know how to make, no, I'm not going to say I don't know how to make. I'm trying. Because my sister looked at my little last video, and they supposed to be meat rolls. She said they look like hamburgers. And I'm not going to make them that big because I'm not going to eat the whole thing. So, this is going to waste, and I'm getting tired of eating food cold. Go back 2, 3, 4 hours later, you got to eat the same food, and it's cold. I don't want that. I don't want no cold food. I think this is about, do you smush them down? Okay. See, I made it nice and small. I don't know how you know when it's hot? I ain't not going on. I'm gonna get my cutting board. Put it on my cutting board. It's clean, y'all. Until the pan get hot. I don't want to make them too big. I just want to make them perfect, just in the right size. And I don't know how to cook grits. I had this one guy, my ex-boyfriend. I made him some grits, and he was like, they were not done. So, I'm trying to experiment with the grits, y'all. And I got the 5-minute quick grits. And when they said 5-minute quick grits, I'm thinking they cook in 5 minutes. That's what I'm thinking. I ain't thinking they're going to take all day. One can, I'm able to make 4 patties. I guess you call them patties. Salmon cakes. They still kind of big for me. Because I know I'm not going to be able to eat like the whole thing. The pan over here making noise, so I mean I'm doing something right. Because it's making noise. This ain't making a lot of noise. And this stuff wet. I don't know why it's wet. I don't know. I didn't put nothing in, no seasoning in it. I don't know if I'm supposed to put seasoning in it or not. I put eggs in it. I did look it up and say put eggs in it. They said you can't put breadcrumbs in it, But I ain't want no breadcrumbs in it. Breadcrumbs, they don't really supposed to have no bread. And this is the last one. Look, little tiny one. Okay. I'm about to put in the first one. Okay. That's the second one. That's the third one. The fourth one. And another itty bitty one. Okay. Washing our hands. I'm just rinsing them off. TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. One of the things fell apart. I don't know what happened. It fell apart. This is the second time I had to make the grits. I'm not a grit maker, so this is the second time. Hopefully it tastes better because when I tasted it tasted like grits. Like it was hard and gritty, so I knew I didn't cook it right. So I had to redo it. And now I'm just waiting for this. Only one of them fell apart. And that was right there. But the rest of them came out pretty good. This one just came, I don't know why this one came apart. I might have turned it too early. I don't know. It's only halfway apart. And the grits came out pretty good. So that's a plus. I think I kind of made a mistake by cooking it in my scab, whatever kind of pan this is. I don't think I should have cooked it in this pan. But with that being said, TT Squad, I'll be right back with it plated and everything. Bye. TT Squad, I'm back. I plated. Today is Thursday. This is my breakfast. Bam. Like, share, subscribe. It came apart, but somebody got to eat the salmon cake. And I'm going to eat it. Hopefully my grits taste good because I told you I'm not a grit person. But when I tried this batch, it didn't taste gritty. The first one was so gritty, I had to start all over with everything in the tray and start over. That's the only way. I'm not a grit person. I did my best with my grits. And that being said, TT Squad, I'm going to see y'all later. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Yes, TT Squad. Bye.